change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Why, hello, it's that time again. We're at the airport, 7th month in a row, but this time it's for Princess, and I got Mama with me.
Yes.
That's different from marathon weekend when I was by myself, so excited to have Mama back. Mama, show your new Vera Bradley.
Got a new bag. It's bigger than what I normally carry.
Yes, and I treated myself to a new weekender
And I did bring my
thing as well.
marathon bag.
You did? And I have Cinderella because it's Cinderella theme for the princess this time. So our flight was supposed to leave at 10. Now it's leaving at 11 p.m. So we're gonna get in late. We're tired, but we're excited for tomorrow waking up at Disney. So. Do you notice anything wrong with this sign? Let me get on. Walk on the left, stand on the left. No, it's walkers on the right and runners on the left.
Am I
Mama,
on the right side?
yes.
I'm on the left.
And they replaced all these ads, Mama. See her beach-themed Vera Bradley. It's very cute with the seahorses. Does that mean we're going to beach club? What?
Maybe for lunch or breakfast.
I miss beach club. We finally made it to the boarding section and we're just waiting till closer to 11 to board. Mama, what did we finally splurge on?
What, the coffee?
And look at Mama finishing that coffee up. We got ice tonight because it's a little, it's good though. So, alright, we are eager to get to Disney, aren't we?
We'll be glad to get there.
What did the security guy say to you? He liked how you matched your luggage.
All the matching luggage.
So, we're getting there. Alright, Mama,
Hello.
did we land finally?
Yes.
It's after 1 a.m.
Right.
And what is your reaction?
Oh, the stormtroopers.
Your men.
Yeah.
You excited to see them?
It's perfect for the tea.
Mama,
Yes.
we're the only ones at Magical Express at 1:40 a.m. Ay, ay, ay. This is rope drop, right?
This is practice to get up for Princess. Can't
It
start
is.
anyway.
Ay, ay, ay.
Any large items, including luggage and strollers, will be organized and stored.
But we got our luggage and we're ready to go.
Be sure to collect your items.
So we are tired, but we made it on Magical Express and we are the queens of the bus according to Tim Tracker. Because ain't nobody behind us. So we're ready to get to the resort. This is excellent timing because the last time we flew in late, like at midnight, 1 a.m., we had to wait for Magical Express. So thank you, Disney, for making some magic and getting us on the bus to get to the resort. So I'm gonna watch some cartoons. Can't wait to see the Walt Disney World entrance sign. So, Mama, you see what character you're next to on the bus?
Oh, what am I next to?
Mickey Mouse. That's a sign you need to do the marathon again. You're ready.
Oh, now I see Mickey
And
Mouse.
Goofy's over there. Where's a dopey for Mama?
They don't have one. And you got to ride on a Pluto new bus.
Well, that's at the parks, Mama.
At the
So
parks.
at Disney Springs, that's where I found you can do the newer buses. So maybe we can get a new one. I want to ride the Cinderella one. That's really pretty. And the Peter Pan. And they have an Aladdin. Who's here, Aladdin? Who's here, Aladdin? It's not James. But we're still waiting. It's 1:46 right now. We need to get some beauty sleep because I'm tired. So, you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we doing tomorrow, Mama?
I want to sleep in a little bit in the morning. Since we made an
Yes.
effort to do this late night flight.
Well, yes, but then we get to wake up at Disney and do Disney Springs and Magic Kingdom.
That'll
So
be fun.
hit subscribe and join along for the fun. So that'll be good. Now, let's get this bus going. Come on. Tell them, Mama. Step on it, Mama. Pick it up, Mama.
I feel like we're already starting Princess right now. We're on the Princess bus. It feels like it.
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. But we're not in our princess costumes. Although this is yellow and blue like Belle and Cinderella, so that's... Mama's got her blue one for Cinderella. Is Cinderella your favorite, Mama?
Yes, because blue's my favorite color.
It is.
Get a lot of songs with this kind of scale, this kind of gravitas. So it's
All right, ready?
It's about 2:40 in the morning and we just arrived into our room at Riverside. So I'll show you. It is a royal room. And they were sweet and gave us scrolls, one for each of us. And they basically just state that, so they're souvenirs. Got our purse right there with the princes and princess. And got Mama. And the best part of these rooms is magic. How pretty is that? Then you have the princesses. Mama making that noise. Mama. And they don't even have our TV on, but since it's almost 3 a.m., I'm not even going to turn it on right now. We'll wait till tomorrow. We'll wait till later this morning, basically when we're awake. But 2 sinks in the royal throne. Right. It is time for these 2 princesses to get some beauty sleep, so hit subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.